What do we got going on over here? What do we got going on over here?
2712.
2712. That's 970-303-720 and 719. Everywhere in Colorado, we're calling that 2712. That's what we're representing. If you are Colorado, you got love for Colorado, we got love for you. That's our point. We're trying to put everyone together.
It's everything added together.
Do what this man's doing right here, you know?
We're having a bevy.
We're having a good time. There's a cheers to everyone out there.
This is cool, dude.
Yeah.
It's in the club right now. It's in the house. Like, this is legit. This is as club as it gets. Like, Studio 54 is like, all right. You guys are giving her a go.
You're gonna have to take some lessons.
All right, friends. So why don't you hit play on your DJ and I'll get out of the mic.
All right, we're gonna play a couple right here. Get to it. All right, here's the first. All right, this is just to get you tracked.
A little intro.
All right.
Hands up.
Let's see if you feel it.
Hands up.
Oh, yeah. 2712's in the house, live at the BeeHive. Y'all having fun tonight? All right, that's what we're talking about. We're here to have some fun with you. We're going to play you all of our stuff, everything we got ready for you. Get it hot in your ears. And everyone out there, make sure you subscribe. Hey, that's right. So we're gonna have a little bit of good time with you. My name is Wild Bill, and this is Mr. Kuss.
Mr. Kuss, Wild Bill.
Reppin' Hater Proof Entertainment.
2712.
2712. So y'all, get ready and stay focused.
Focus. Bitch, I'm focused. Bitch, I'm focused. I'm so focused, you ain't fucking with me. Mr. Kuss, still reppin' HG, I'm focused. Focus. I'm so focused, you ain't fucking with me. Head where it needs to be, believing in me, I'm focused. Focus. I'm focused like a red dot laser beaming. Sniper across the street, take you out while you're sleeping. Believing in me, clutch a trigger and squeeze. Head where it needs to be, breath succeed. Danger or warning, better watch out for me. Get out the way, everyone, anybody. I'm in my own lane and I'm matching for speed. Rolling over, smashing anything in front of me. Gang with the EV right before. Feeling these cats, I'm the king of the forest. Juice from the top when you busted me front. You stupid should have been up the night just made you memories never zone for me. Here lay he who tried to fade me. Call corner, I-86. Place him in the morgue with the rest of my victims. Focus. Bitch, I'm focused. Bitch, I'm focused. I'm so focused, you ain't fucking with me. Mr. Kuss, HPOG, I'm focused. Focus. I'm locked in, got the specs for my mission. Boxing the problem for any opposition. Get rid of the competition every day, the repetition. It's my addiction, take away, no addition. Division, diminish them, then I finish them. Send them to hell, perform the Christ comes on the track to act unfortunate. Creating this map with exact coordinates. Better ease back and smack for insubordinates. What's a shirt, bitch? I'll bring the water then. I'm the scorpion king with a human type steam. Horror screaming as a conqueror. You don't want it with me when I get to harnessing the power of the universe. Manifesting, don't test me, best be keeping it moving. Or we have it twerking to the ground, switch grooving. Focus. Bitch, I'm focused. Bitch, I'm focused. I'm so focused, you ain't fucking with me. Mr. Kuss, still reppin' HG, I'm focused. Focus. I'm so focused, you ain't fucking with me. Head where it needs to be, believe in G, I'm focused. Focus. Focus like crystalline lenses and pupils. With 20/20 vision and the light super like a Hooper game winner. Through bunch of suits like Jordan Sport, one ring, think about the city. Focus, Kuss, those bitch. Your shit, focus like stand still in the world. Faking the funk, Kuss breaking the pumps. Shaking the spot, I ain't hanging with chump. Do my dirt up on my lonely, represent for my homies, putting work. Yeah, you know me, Mr. Kuss. OG, clean, I was so fresh, steady shining. You know me, Kuss, be bossing all the time. November 15th, Scorpio's my sign, and you gotta remember me because of the way I'm rhyming. Last of a dying breed, that's what I am. In fact, I'm a demigod man. Focus. Bitch, Bitch, I'm focused.
That's right, that's Focus. That's the first track we ever did together.
Focus.
That's right, it's Mr. Kuss, Wild Bill original, 100% original us.
Bitch, I'm focused.
We put it down on, All right, this is a call and response for you, and even if you're at home, when we ask for all my CO riders, I want to hear you say, Riders! All right, this is a call and response song for us.
Because we all love the kickflip.
That's right, a little kickflip.
I'm out that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O. Bitch, I'm a CO rider. Rider! Shit. Yeah, this that anthem to smoke to and roll to for all my CO riders. Riders! Throw it up. If you rep that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O, yeah, all my CO riders. Riders! 720-719970. You are my CO riders. Riders! I'm from C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O. 718 is my home team. Yo, now reside in no code, Foco.
Not 7, no, not the change, but the area code.
Rider, and I'll be down for life. Colorado native like a tiger got stripes. HP creator, OG, representing, keep it secret. These haters won't please my percentage. 100 all times, yeah, you know it's right. Steady stunting my black niggas sticking to the grind. That's where I'm riding all the time like a diamond 74-7 all day.
Riding on them, biting on them, two piece them up with the quickest. Ain't got time for you haters and you bitches. You bitches ain't got nothing but sticking nuts 52 side like I do a cigarette.
But I keep the hater free spray with me everywhere I go. Cause haters be staying here in the CO. Don't fuck with them, oh no, give it to the show. Do my thing, then I hate on me, bro. I'm out that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O. Bitch, I'm a CO rider. Rider! Shit. Yeah, this that anthem to smoke to and roll to for all my CO riders. Riders! If you rep that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O, yeah, all my CO riders. Riders!
There we go.
720-719970. You are my CO riders.
In the old Balboa Hospital, I was born. San Diego, California, many places I was formed. Jacksonville, Norfolk, Philly, PA, Goose Creek, South Carolina, where the Gators play. A year in T-Town, Kansas, where my family stayed. Then Charleston and once more SCCA. I did high school in Corpus and Sully the town. Jumping ditch, weed, smoking and holding it down. UT, Austin for Gross, my CC. Gibraltar, La Mesa, La Jolla, PB. I landed in OB, 1502. Hippies, punks, and bikers, hashtag. But I partied too hard and I needed to change. Grit became a big act of the mountain, reset my brain. I fell in love at the Surfside 7. Beers, bikes, bug bay, and I'm out close to heaven. Now I'm never gonna leave my life at the whispering pines. The mountains calling to me every time when I'm rapping with the T-O-E-G, Mr. Kuss. Check the piles on like 970 to the 303 to the 720 and the 719. 2712 and that's the whole thing. Say riders.
When them haters step to you, who you gonna call? Riders!
If someone hitting on your honey, who you gonna call? Riders!
When they fucking with your money, homie, who you gonna call? Riders!
Someone looking at your funny, who you gonna call?
Riders!
From the 970 to the 303 to the 720 and the 719, reppin' 2712, and that's the whole thing. Say riders! From the 970 to the 303 to the 720 and the 719, reppin' 2712, and that's the whole thing. Here, riders!
I'm out that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O. Bitch, I'm a CO rider. Rider shit. Yeah, this that anthem to smoke to and roll to for all my CO riders. Riders. If you rep that C-O-L-O-R-A-D-O, get all my CO riders. Riders. 720-719970. You all my CO riders.
Riders! Yeah! It's Mr. Kuss, I'm Wild Bill, 2712 Hater Proof.
2712 hater proof.
Don't forget, you need to come out April 6th at the Coast. Yeah, everybody up here.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll put music in post. I want everyone to sing a song in their head right now. Get down there, everyone.
Yeah.
Get down.
Just pretend you hear the music.
Full blown, like there's. Yeah. Don't you love that music? There you go. Dude, CJ, you're 2 for 2. when do you ever get invited to the front row?